To begin this lesson, open the Market Trader project from your Sample Files folder. You're now going to add a second theme to this project. Right-click App Themes in the Solution Explorer and click Add ASP.NET folder, Theme. A new theme folder appears, ready to be named. Type Red Grid Views and press Enter. You have just added a second theme to your project. Now you're going to add a skin to the Red Grid Views theme. Right-click the Red Grid Views folder in the Solution Explorer and click Add New Item. Now click Web in the left-hand pane and click Skin File in the central pane. Notice that you can add both skin and CSS files to a theme. If you add a CSS file to a theme, it will be automatically included in any page that uses the theme. Using themes can be a very convenient way to manage your site's styles. In the Name box, type Red Grid Views.skin and click Add. The new skin file appears in the Red Grid Views theme folder and is automatically opened. You're now going to add code to your new skin to apply a red color scheme to all grid view controls on pages that use this theme. Add the following code to your new skin file. ASP::gridView runat equals server, forecolor equals white, header style back color equals crimson, row style back color equals red, alternating row style back color equals dark red. End ASP grid view. This code is very similar to the code you used in Lesson 7.2. The important difference is that this time you haven't specified a skin ID property. This means that the skin will be automatically applied to any grid view controls on pages that use the Red Grid Views theme. You're now going to set the entire project to use the Red Grid Views theme. You learned how to set a single page to use a theme in Lesson 7.2. But it's also possible to apply a theme to your entire project. Open web.config. There's a lot more code here than you're used to seeing. Most of this was automatically added to support the chart control that you used in Lesson 6.4. Find the Pages tag and add a theme property using the following code. Pages theme equals red grid views. This applies the Red Grid Views theme to every page in this project, unless the page has been configured to use a different theme. Note that every ASP.NET Web Server has a file called machine.config, which controls the behavior of the server. By using the pages tag in the machine.config file, you could apply a theme to every website running on that server. Now let's test your theme. View marketdatabydate.aspx in your web browser. And click Get Data. The grid view control on this page now has the red formatting from your Red Grid Views theme. Now click the Data button on the navigation bar to navigate to marketdata.aspx. And click Get Data. The grid view control on this page still uses the blue Grid Views theme. This is because you specifically told this page to use the blue Grid Views theme in Lesson 7.2. You may have encountered websites on the Internet that allow you to choose between a number of visual themes, sometimes referred to as skins. To do this in ASP.NET, you would first need to create a database table to store each user's choice of theme. To apply the user's chosen theme to each page, you would add some code to the page load event handler of each page to set the page.theme property to their chosen theme. You could do this more easily by adding code to the page load event handler of a master page that was used by every page in the application. Close your web browser now and close Visual Studio. You've now completed Lesson 7.3. Work with multiple themes.